This tutorial will cover some of the things missed out in part 7. We will be generating the white enemy aircraft. For that, we will have to look at the O controller object and we will add an event called alarm2. So what we will do is we will go to alarm1 and we will select all of these actions. Copy, go to alarm2, paste. Now there are a few things here we need to change because it's generating the white enemy aircraft. We start off with this and we select enemy whites. The rest remains the same. Here will be enemy whites. We need to get the instance count to do a check here. And this temp variable, we change it to white count. We will use the white count variable to check if it's less than 3. If it is true, then alarm2 will be reset to 30 seconds, after which it will produce another white aircraft. So that's about it for producing or spawning enemy aircraft. Okay, so looking back at part 7, in the OHUD object step event, if you happen to have an error, check the conditional for bullet 2 and make sure that bullet 2 is referring to OPlayer and not self, because we created the bullet 2 variable in the OPlayer object. Before we begin with the power up bullets, you have to make the sprite and the object. You can download it from the URL below or try to extract it from the sprite sheet. For bullet 2, ensure that the collision mask is set to automatic precise and its centered origin. Next, we will code the fire button or Z key in the OPlayer object, the event key down Z. After the create instance of a player bullet, we will have a conditional to check if bullet 2 is set to 1. If it is true, then we will create an instance of OPlayer bullet 2. So with this conditional, if the bullet 2 variable is 0, then the player will only fire a single bullet. This could happen when the player has lost a life and respawned. Next, we're going to do the bullet 2 collision with the enemy. So add event collision bullet 2, and you're going to player bullet and copy all 4 actions in bullet. Go to bullet 2 and paste. This is the end of the tutorial for part 7 extra.